my gourmet friends. Today we're going to braise some beautiful duck legs with hard cider, prunes and walnuts. And of course what we need for this are the duck legs. You can see this is not a fat duck, these are young ducks. They have a very delicate flavor. We're also going to use some thyme and bay leaves. Half a tablespoon of coarse sea salt to start with. You can always add some more at the end. A teaspoon of black peppercorns, about 6 cardamom pods, 400 grams of prunes, and we got about 125 grams of walnuts. And of course we also got our cider. This is a hard cider from Normandy, 5 degrees on alcohol. And of course if you see that red button underneath the video, don't hesitate. We're going to use a dry frying pan, maximum heat, and we're just going to add the duck legs, skin side down, and it's the skin that's going to release all the fat we need to fry them, and we're going to fry them golden brown. So we got our oven pot, and we're going to add the bay leaves and the thyme, and this is also going to avoid the duck legs to stick on the bottom. We're going to add the salt, black peppercorns, cardamom pods, and we're going to add half of the prunes on the bottom. We're going to add the duck legs, the skin side down. Add the hard cider. Preheat the oven up to 180 degrees Celsius, that's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the lid on, and it's a go for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes we're going to add the rest of the prunes to finish it up with another 15 minutes. So after 45 minutes we're going to add the rest of the prunes. I'm back in the oven again for 15 to 20 minutes. And we're 15 to 20 minutes later. We're going to take the duck out. Take out the herbs and the bay leaves. You can take out the cardamom pods as well. If you got too much fat on top, try to skim some off. Add a good tablespoon of starch or wheat flour, and we're going to bring our sauce to the boiling point on medium heat. As soon as it boils, lower the heat to the minimum, and in a few minutes time our sauce is getting a very nice texture. And we're going to use a dry frying pan again, medium heat, and we're going to toast our walnuts lightly. 3 to 4 minutes is enough to boost a little bit the flavors of the walnuts. When you smell all these flavors coming up, kill the heat, and we're ready to serve. And here we got our cider braised duck legs. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.